Hello, Wildnote users. This is Nancy with Customer Success, and I'm here to tell you about a brand new feature that we are rolling out called Project Dashboard. You'll find Project Dashboard located under Project Data. It's the first choice in the drop-down list now. And what Project Dashboard does is give you an overview of information related to a particular project. You can see here that the first box is project metrics, which tells you the first time that data was submitted and the last time the data was submitted for a project, total number of surveys submitted. This is a hyperlink to those surveys, and total number of active users. This is a hyperlink to your members in this group. Data metrics give you information that you can control by a date range. So you can see that we have the typical drop down here for this week, last week, this month, last month, this year, last year, or a custom date. So if you're, as a project manager, looking to see if all the data was submitted for this week and you have an idea of how much data should be submitted, this will give you a quick window into that information. The next set of boxes are some pie charts. The one on the left, surveys submitted by user. Again, these are controllable to a date range. And to the right, if you're using survey status, you can look at surveys submitted by status. The best part of this rollout is something that we call the issue tracker. A lot of you have been asking for something like this, particularly if you're tracking non-compliance issues, SWIP, BMP issues, those types of things. The issue tracker allows you to flag an answer to a question and then track any surveys that have that answer in it. So for example, for this SWIP form, I flagged an answer on if there was a non-compliance that was a new or prior non-compliance. I flagged a yes answer for actions required, a yes answer for discharge observed from the site. So really anything that you want to track, you can flag that when you're building your form. And then that will appear here on a daily basis when any forms are submitted with that information. And then finally on this dashboard, you'll see latest activity. And this is basically any changes made to any of surveys submitted. And it's the most recent changes of the last 5 surveys. We hope that this adds value to your project management workflow and gives you some quick insights into data that will be useful for you. And as always, we welcome your feedback and stay tuned for more things coming in 2021.